If you're looking for help fixing your Grundig refrigerator, look no further. Our comprehensive Grundig Refrigerator Troubleshooting Guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Grundig refrigerator compressor not functioning optimally. It would be unfair to say this problem is exclusive to Grundig fridge freezers. And this is, in fact, one of the most common complaints of technically savvy fridge owners. Your Grundig refrigerator's compressor can malfunction. The effect of this is commonly seen in the fridge unusually tripping. Several things can cause this defective compressor. The prevailing is sudden power surges or power failures. It is not unusual for the compressor's protective thermic to blow out when the power supply is suddenly interrupted. If your MCB circuit breakers have not been damaged, your fridge may start working again with the compressor's functionality becoming restored. This should happen within 6 minutes of power getting restored. But if the power-related inadequacies hurt your circuit breakers, your compressor wouldn't work. When this happens, you are advised to get the services of a Grundig authorized service agent. Grundig freezer temperature is too low. In our survey of the problems Grundig fridge owners commonly face, low freezer temperature came top of the list. Here, the freezer forms frost rather too quickly. The conventional temperature range for contemporary fridges sits between 0°F and 5°F. Anything lesser than that could be too low. Yes, some homeowners may inadvertently adjust their freezers to extremely low temperatures. But more typically, very low freezer temperatures result from poor airflow. The latter is more associated with a defective air damper. When your Grundig air damper goes bad, an excessive amount of cold air is stored in your freezer. The implication is the compressor working too hard to replenish the cold air that is incorrectly stationed in the freezer instead of the fridge. Should this be the case, carefully inspect your freezer if any item is binding the damper. To ensure that the control is efficiently operating the damper, you would need to unplug the fridge and take off the damper cover. Condensation on Grundig's refrigerator walls. We have seen many Grundig fridge owners being worried about condensation collecting on their refrigerator walls. This could be on the refrigerator's internal walls or the sidewalls of the fridge section. Curiously, such condensation pooling on the refrigerator's walls doesn't imply a severe refrigerator malfunction. In fact, it is normal, especially when the surrounding temperature is slightly elevated. In areas of increased humidity, such condensation or icing can also occur on the inner walls of the refrigerator. These conditions can also trigger condensation on the fridge section's sidewalls. When atmospheric humidity levels disappear, the condensation evaporates. There could also be cases when moisture collects between the double refrigerator doors. Humidity could yet be responsible. In such conditions, it is necessary to turn off the energy-saving mode. Frequently opening your refrigerator's doors, or sustainably leaving the doors ajar, can also cause condensation on the walls. In other scenarios, a thermostat set to a significantly low temperature can cause such icing on the walls. If true, moderate the thermostat setting back to normal.